Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Blajil. In this video, I will show you 10 useful keyboard shortcuts for Windows PC. So let's get started. So number one shortcut is for copy, cut and paste. So for that, you need to select the paragraph you want to copy. Now you need to click Ctrl and C to copy the paragraph and Ctrl and V to paste the paragraph. And let's say you want to cut this paragraph, and then you need to select it and press Ctrl and X. The second shortcut is for save the current file you are looking at or the document you are looking at. You need to click Ctrl and S, and it will give you the option to save the file on your device. Then you need to click on save, and it will be downloaded and saved in your device. The third shortcut is also very useful. It is to search for the text in a document or a file. All you need to do is to click on Ctrl and F, and it will open the find dialog. Then you can search the particular word or file by its name by searching on it, and it will show you the file or the name in a highlighted form on the document or the file. 4. To switch between open application. In your PC, you can have multiple applications open. To switch between them, you need to click on Alt plus Tab. Then you can switch between the different applications in your PC or laptop easily. All you need to do is to click Alt and Tab, then select your desired application. Number 5. Show or hide the desktop. For this, there is also a shortcut. Let's say you are looking at some hot stuff on the internet and you don't want anyone to see you looking at it. All you need to do is to click Windows plus D, and it will take you to your desktop screen. And when they are gone, then you can again press Windows plus D, and it will take you back to the hot stuff. Number 6. Open File Explorer. Let's say you want to open the File Explorer very quickly. There is a shortcut. All you need to do is to click Windows key plus E, and it will directly open the File Explorer for you. Number 7. Lock your computer or switch user account. Let's say you have multiple user accounts or you want to lock your computer. All you need to do is to press Windows key plus L from your keyboard, and it will lock your computer. You can do it if you want to leave your computer or desktop in your office and go to the washroom, let's say. Number 8. Open Task Manager directly. You don't need to search for Task Manager. All you need to do is to click Ctrl Shift plus Escape, and it will directly open the Task Manager. Then you can use it according to your own need. Number 9. Take a screenshot. To take a screenshot, select your desired screen and click Windows and Print Screen button, and it will take a screenshot, and it will save that screenshot in your picture and then screenshot folder. Here, as you can see, this is the screenshot we took by clicking Windows plus Print Screen button. Number 10 is Snip Tool. So let's say you want to take a screenshot of the desired or specific part of the screen. For that, you need to click Windows, Shift and S. After that, Snip Tool will be opened. After that, you will have some options to take the snapshot or screenshot of the full screen or the just the selective part. So let's say we want to take a random screenshot of this screen, then we will select it, and after that it will give us the option to save it. We need to click on it, then you have the option to save it. Click on the save icon, and it will be saved in the device. That's all guys. If you want more such videos, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Goodbye.